Come along with me, cousins, while I clean this black tank. And after it's done being cleaned, we're going to do a treatment so you can see how to make it smell good at all times. Let's get into this video. What up, cousins? Y'all already know who it is. This is your favorite cousin, Shay. Thank you for coming back. And if you're new, this is Shay's Tiny Living, and everything on this channel got to do with RVing and tiny living. And you just call me Shay or cousins. But y'all seen the title. Y'all already know what we finna do. We finna change this boo-boo. Let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, this right here is how we check our black tank. But sometimes the sensor be off on the black tank, and I just found that out. So as you can see, it say black. You push it right here, and see, it ain't even coming on right now. But we know it is full. Sometimes it work, sometimes it don't. Like, see, the battery is always full. So sometimes this stuff works. See. But anyway, I'm finna show y'all how to do it. We look down in there, and you can tell if it's full or not, just in case your sensor mess up. And they actually do have some stuff that you can put in there to get your sensor back on track also. And this, you guys, is how we're going to empty our black tank. You're going to pull that lever right there. Okay, y'all. Here got a lever right here. And you just pull it out. And y'all hear it coming down through there? I'm gonna take that out. You can see it. That's why we got a clear elbow so you can see what it's done. And just keep going until you get empty. And you can still hear it, so you know it's not empty. It's still coming out. Now you see how it's slowing down? That means it's almost empty, but we still have to go shake it in the middle part sometimes just to make sure everything came out. Go do it in the middle part, babe. Like pull it up in the middle. So you do like that. You see how it started back coming out a little faster. And stop. You see you're gonna hold up again. So you might have to do that a couple times just to make sure it all drained out. Okay. Now you're done. Only thing you do is get this little black part again and just push it in. And now you just close your black tank back. Okay, now I'm gonna add some of this up in here to keep it smelling good, and there's a little treatment for it. Now we done. We done cleaned the black tank after we emptied it. Now it's gonna be smelling real good.